Let's begin with a universal teacher experience. That moment when you open your gradebook, stare at it like it's written in ancient Sumerian, and think, who? Who created these categories? Was it me? Was I having an out-of-body experience? Did a gremlin get into my gradebook? Because somehow, no matter how tightly we try to organize things in August, by October, our gradebook has devolved into a chaotic buffet of nonsense like quiz, mini quiz, practice quiz, sort of test, and participation. Which, let's be real, is teacher speak for you existed in the room today. Congrats. And it's always around that moment when you realize your gradebook resembles a crime scene of missing assignments, secret categories, and percentages that do not add up. That you say the sacred teacher words, I cannot do this anymore. Well, friend, today we fix it. We fix all of it, and we do it CI style. Simple, human, meaningful, fast, and structured around actual language acquisition rather than random tasks designed to keep teenagers quiet for 10 minutes. And yes, you can truly do this in one planning period. 60 minutes, the length of one prep, one sad sandwich, or one unnecessary long email from admin. Today, I'm going to show you the system that finally made my gradebook make sense to me, to my students, to my parents, and to the admin. And shockingly, even to my future self. So refill your emotional support coffee, breathe deeply, and let's transform your gradebook from dumpster fire behind an abandoned Taco Bell into professional, intentional, proficiency-based masterpiece. Let's be brutally honest. Traditional gradebooks were not designed for language acquisition. I'm not even convinced they were designed by educators. I suspect someone in the 70s made a spreadsheet template whilst listening to disco and thought, sure, this works. And here we are 50 years later, grading conjugation worksheets like it's 1979. Traditional gradebooks prioritize what's easiest to grade: packets, fill in the blanks, worksheets, vocabulary quizzes, random busy work. None of that aligns with how human beings acquire language. People acquire languages through meaningful, compelling input and opportunities to communicate, not through circling, yo hablo, on a worksheet. But traditional gradebooks measure compliance beautifully. Proficiency? Not so much. So we end up with grades that don't represent skill. A student might ace every vocabulary worksheet and still not understand you when you say, open your notebook. Another student may listen beautifully, comprehend everything, retell stories like a champ, but forget to turn in one worksheet, and suddenly their grade drops 20 points. Traditional grading systems measure behaviors, not language ability. And that is the core disconnect. But the good news? CI teachers don't have to live like this anymore. We have a system, a beautiful system, a simple, elegant, sanity-saving system. 4 categories, the pillars of communication, the foundation of proficiency. This is the gradebook that finally tells the truth. It aligns perfectly with CI, actful expectations, real-world communication, common sense, and your desire to not lose your entire weekend to grading. Now let's walk through the system step by step, with all the sarcasm and honesty your soul deserves. When you adopt the 4-skill system, the first thing that happens is a deep spiritual cleansing of your gradebook soul. You'll look at your old categories: binder check, exit ticket 17, mini quiz 4.3, participation number 8, homework but actually classwork, and something I assigned in September but forgot to explain. And you'll finally feel free to delete them. This is not just organization, this is an exorcism. Once the clutter is gone, your entire teaching life becomes more intentional. You stop grading random tasks and you start grading the actual abilities you're trying to build: listening comprehension, reading comprehension, speaking fluency, and written expression. These are the skills your students need not only to pass your class, but to function in the real world. And suddenly, every assessment has a home. Nothing is floating in the void anymore. Students immediately feel the shift. Instead of chasing points like they're collecting Pokemon, they start focusing on actual communication. They realize that listening during class matters, actually matters, because it shows up in their listening grade. They start taking reading seriously because now it's a whole category, not a random assignment buried between worksheets. Speaking stops feeling like an ambush and starts feeling like an opportunity. Writing becomes a natural extension of their language growth. And you start teaching differently too. You move from grading tasks to assessing skills. You become more purposeful, more consistent, and more competent in your evaluation. You stop asking, "What do I grade this week?" and start asking, "What skill are we strengthening today?" And that is a game changer. If you've ever received a 9:47 p.m. parent email that says, "We're just confused about the grade," then you already understand the value of clarity. Students and their families crave understanding. They want to know what matters, what counts, and what growth looks like. But when your gradebook is a bizarre playground of assignments with mysterious names like Week 3 Activity or Retake Do Not Use, they panic. And panicked students equal panicked parents. And panicked parents equal a wild ride for your inbox. But with the 4-skill system, students instantly know what's important. They look at the categories and think, you want me to understand what I hear, make sense of what I read, speak when possible, and write with growing accuracy? Got it. It removes the mystery. It removes the drama. It removes the daily, "What can I do for extra credit?" negotiation. And the best part, students start self-advocating in a useful, healthy way. Instead of saying, "Why do I have a C?" they'll say, "What can I do to improve my listening grade?" Instead of panicking over a missing worksheet, they say, "How can I strengthen my reading skills this week?" This shift is massive. This shift is beautiful. This shift means you can finally have a professional conversation about learning instead of negotiating point inflation like you're selling used cars. And with students understanding the system, parents calm down too. Your emails decrease dramatically. Your conferences become easier. There is suddenly a sense of logic behind your grading that is easy to explain and even easier to defend. Let's take a moment to talk about administrators. They love data. Love it. If you bring your principal a color-coded chart showing student growth and listening comprehension, you might get a standing ovation. If you bring comparative data in all 4 skills, you may receive a plaque, a medal, a sash. Who knows? Anything is possible. The 4-skill system gives you everything admin wants: measurable growth, data over time, clarity in expectations, and a grading method that actually matches learning outcomes. This is administrator catnip. When your admin pops into your room and asks, "So how are your students doing with interpretive communication?" you can answer confidently. You don't have to make something up on the spot. You don't have to scroll nervously through 17 assignments to piece together a narrative of learning vibes. Instead, you can calmly say, "We track interpretive communication through our listening and reading categories, which we update weekly through CI-based assessments. Here's their growth over time." Your admin will look at you like you have unlocked the secrets of the universe. Because you have. You've unlocked the secret of clear, skill-based, defensible data. Parents love it. Admin loves it. You will love it. how confident and professional you sound. And if at any point during this video you're thinking, Scott, this is brilliant, but please don't make me create all the rubrics and templates myself, then please allow me to introduce the CI Survival Kit. It has everything you need to make this 4-category system insanely easy. Ready-made rubrics, quick write templates, speaking checklists, and story scripts, CI activities that automatically generate gradebook evidence. Basically, I built the system so you don't have to. You can find it at mm.us/kit. The link is below. You now have the power to fix your gradebook, fix your grading life, and fix your emotional well-being. All in one planning period. That's it. 1 hour from now. Your gradebook can be clean, intentional, CI aligned, admin friendly, parent friendly, student friendly, and most importantly, teacher sanity friendly. Say goodbye to chaos. Say goodbye to the mystery categories. Say goodbye to grading resentment. Say hello to a simple, elegant, powerful 4-skill system that actually reflects what your students can do with the language. And when you're ready for the next step, watch my follow-up video, Stop Winging It. Use this 3-step CI lesson plan that actually works. You're going to love how perfectly it pairs with your brand new gradebook system. And until next time, happy comprehensible input.